Hello everybody, my name is Kay and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your layout in Sony Vegas Pro 14. But before I tell you, I just want to say sorry for my last post. I know it was pretty short and not really the best quality. I haven't had much time with all like this e-learning, all like this, all the stuff going around right now. But I just want to throw something out, but without further ado, let's get right into the video. Hey, hello, welcome back. So what I'm imagining your screens, it's kind of looking like maybe something like this. Maybe this is not here, maybe it's just all this, and like trying to figure out why it's like this, how to get it back. Well, you came to the right place. Basically all you have to do is here, you could just minimize this and get your Sony Vegas, wherever your shortcut is or whatever, and make sure you hold Control Shift and then double click it. And when you do that, there should be a little message that pops up, and it should say, do you want to reset all Vegas Pro preferences to default values? And you don't have to check mark this, that's not really important. But now all you gotta do is just click yes, and then it should just go right back to where, like, right when you downloaded it. That's where it should go back to all the layouts and all that stuff. So now you have like the master realm on this side, you have all your little tabs. So yeah, so if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and a comment saying if you have any other problems. I'll make sure to reach right back to you. I'll make a video about it. But thanks all for watching. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace.